Hey guys, this video will walk you through the writer's responsibilities writing assignment. You can see by the title that no pre-writing is required for this assignment. The resubmit button is activated because I've already used this assignment for another video. You can see that the due date is January 17th, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. Once the clock flips over to midnight, your assignment will be counted as late. There's no copying and pasting associated with this assignment. I don't want you to quote anything or try to get in there and cite anything. I just want you to talk to me. Make sure you read all your directions before you begin, and that's what we're going to do right now. And look, if I have any comments after you turn your assignment in, you can find them right there. So the first thing you do is read pages 8 through 12 in Writing Matters. This video here will show you how to get into your Writing Matters textbook. You'll see a maximize file preview. I'll show you down here. This is your little maximize file preview button there. You'll see it here. But I went ahead and opened it. So the first thing you're going to do is read the honesty policy on page 36. Here's your honesty policy. And then enter. Read the plagiarism policy on page 221. Even though this is an older version of your handbook, those policies are still the same. And so it explains exactly what happens if you plagiarize. Please don't plagiarize, and don't plagiarize the plagiarism assignment. I just want you to normally talk to me like two people would talk to each other, okay? So read those 2 pages and read pages 8 through 12 in your Writing Matters. When you read these pages, you don't have to read them like you're going to have some kind of multiple choice exam on them. Just kind of skim through them, get the general idea of what's going on with writer's responsibilities as far as doing your own original work is concerned. Okay? So let's scroll down. Then you get to the writing assignment. You're going to have 2 little paragraphs. I'm not really worried about topic sentences or closing sentences or any of that. Let's just be casual with this first writing assignment. And after you've read those items, just in your own words, tell me what you think plagiarism is. What did they tell you? You might use particular words like plagiarism or patch writing or mosaic plagiarism, that kind of thing. That's not plagiarism using those particular words, but using complete sentences or parts of sentences that they wrote is plagiarism. So don't plagiarize. Just talk to me. And then in your own words, tell me why plagiarism is wrong. Your word count should be about 75 to 100 words total. Don't go under 100 words, but please do not turn in a 200, 300 word assignment. You can go over a little bit, but don't go over a lot. Just informal, 2 little paragraphs. Remember, no quoting, no copy pasting. Just talk to me. You're going to make grammar errors in your first assignments. It's okay. I have a safety net for just about everything. And then let's check the notes below. This page here will tell you what happens when you turn in a late assignment. This just is going to pop up on your to-do list on January 13th, just so you know that late assignments will result in absences. I will probably still grade your assignment, but I will not overlook the absence. Your writing assignments won't lock, so you don't have to ask me to reopen those assignments. Just go in, do them, maybe send me a text message on remind.com letting me know, Ms. Pendergrass, I turned in this assignment. Okay? Now let's look here. You have to have a particular format for your writing assignments. If you want to just get the perfect MLA set up with no bother, then you can download this MLA template, which I've already downloaded it right here. You'll enable the editing, hit File, Save As, name it something. Writer's Responsibilities. That's easy, right? I'm just going to save it in my downloads and delete it later. And then you get on here and change it, whatever, change all this information to your information, and then you don't have to worry about most of what I'm going to tell you next. Okay? But make sure you save this document to your computer and you don't accidentally send me the MLA template like it's set up. Now, I don't want you to get zeros, and I know you don't want to get zeros. If you use the MLA template, you don't have to worry about providing an MLA heading and all that stuff. Make sure you do have your own original title. Insert your page numbers. This is going to look funny, but if you follow each little 1, 2, 3, 4, it tells you how to insert page numbers. If you're in Google Docs or something like that and you're having issues, just shoot me a text on remind.com and I can help you with that. To indent your paragraphs, just tap the tab button one time in front of your first line of each paragraph and it'll bump it over right nicely. Triple space with a 14-point font. Most teachers want double space with a 12-point font. I don't. I like it triple spaced with a 14-point font. You're not allowed to use any form of the word you at all. So don't use it. You have to use he or she. I, me, and my, and mine. All those pronouns are perfectly fine, but don't use the word you in your writing. You're not allowed to use contractions. Don't write don't, won't, and I'm. Write do not, will not, or I am. Can't is a contraction. It is the only one that is written as cannot when it is not a contraction. There is a time when you would separate can, not, but you'd have to be really emphatic if you were separating those two words. Don't write sentences that say, I am going to talk about, this paragraph will be about. Just start writing what the paragraph or essay or whatever is actually going to be about. And this link here explains to you how to turn in your assignment using Canvas. So I'll let you click on that. To find that out, you'll use this Submit Assignment button here. And then in a day or 2 or 3, I will have a link somewhere around here or here that gives you a student example of what this assignment is supposed to look like when it gets done. It's not here right now, but it will be whenever you watch this video, I hope. Okay, see you in the next video.